Hi guys, so today we're going to do a thumbnail. So you first click that bottom camera. It's my 100th movie on iMovie, so yeah. So you click that camera, you can do a plain image, something from your photo that you've already taken, or you can even take a photo. So I'm just going to do, so you can do that. So I'm going to do a plain image because, so you're going to want to click, so you're going to want to click that 2048 by 2048 and go custom, which is 1248 by 720. You want to do this because that's like the standard size for a thumbnail, and you won't have to cut any of it out. So that's useful. So you do that, and then you click that thing in the top right, and you click use. So now you can tap anywhere, literally anywhere, and add text. So I'm going to do the thumbnail for this video in this video. Makes sense? So how to make a thumbnail, you can just type it in. So you can do that, and you can adjust it by what the text says, the size, the font of it, how if it's tilted or not. You can do the style, like the color and stuff. You can move it. You can do a heck ton of stuff. There's even a second page of curve. 3D, I think you have to buy something for. Yeah, it says that. And then erase, I think is just something like delete it or something. You can play around with it. So there's you can curve it and do a bunch of stuff. So if you click in the bottom left, there's those 3 lines. You can now do tons of stuff. I'm going to click add item, and it gives us tons of items. So I'm going to add this banner thingy, and you could change the size of it. Whoa. I did not know you could do that with this one. You can do the height, the width. The width and size, basically the exact same thing. Sorry, I don't know what's happening with my throat right now. But you can do that, and then you can adjust it and do a bunch of stuff. I'm going to even shorten it a little bit. And then you can always change this. So you see I just clicked on it again. I can make it smaller, bigger, whatever the heck I want. So then I can add more text, of course. So I'm going to do 2 apps because we're going to use 2 apps. The first one that we're in, I forgot to tell you, is Phonto, Phonto. That's where we're gonna. You could also use a few other apps, but we're gonna use Phonto for this one. So again, I'm just gonna play with this size and stuff, and you can obviously add a lot more. And then you gotta click that, and then you click save, and then there's an ad. So yeah, of course I'm gonna not actually play the sound of that ad because I'm pretty sure that's copyright. So yeah, so then we could go. I'm going to photos just to show you. Yeah, it's right there. Today, as you can see, how to make a thumbnail. It exists. So yeah, I have lots of photos. So you could go into here. Then the YT Studio is my next one. It can show you all of your apps, your videos, your subscribers, your analytics, and everything. So you click on a video, you click the edit thumbnail thing, and then you go into it. You obviously click on that one. So you do that, then I don't know why I moved it, but you can. Then you do that, and then you click save in the top right. But I don't want to save this because that's not the right video. So yeah, so you can see the analytics, watch time, and everything. So yeah, that's how you make and upload a thumbnail. Hopefully you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye. See you guys next time.